countries, the demand will decline because your product is expensive. And once the demand declines, you are either going to retrench workers, and if you don't retrench workers, you don't employ anymore because you want to make profit. Everything, most South Africa, from Colgate, how to saying fella, you are using things from outside the country. The government of South Africa has undermined the industry of South Africa, and as a result, we are complaining about lack of jobs. This is very simple. You increase the tariffs of importing things into South Africa. And once those things are expensive, the South African product will be cheap. And once the South African product is cheap, there will be demand for such a product. Once the demand is there, there will be a need to double production. And therefore, you will have to create jobs to double that production.
Educate them.
This is economics 101. It's the simplest economics. But Zuma, it's easy. Zuma wouldn't know economics 101. It's not a very complicated economics. So, we must protect our industry